Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall.
Oh, nice.
Life isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. Every stumble teaches us. Every setback builds our strength. Just like on the road, the toughest climbs bring the most breathtaking views. What matters isn't how many times you fall, how many times you rise with courage and keep moving forward. Stay true to your journey, trust your grit, and ride with heart. Follow us for inspiration and start planning your Vietnam Motorcycle Tour 2026. Because every fall is just the beginning of a stronger ride.